It's incredible the shit you'll come up with to avoid doing that thing you're supposed to be doing. And there are loads of reasons projects stall, but one of the most powerful has to be the job that you've never done before. But taking the time to get those tricky jobs done right makes it a constant battle to keep momentum going. Restorations take time, and accepting that instead of throwing the spanners out of the pram is the difference between gathering dust and our first drive. So while trying to stoke the mojo, I had a look back at the beginning.
The moment that I have been waiting for. This is my 78 Esprit Series 2.
4 years ago, me took this shirt in, but you didn't really notice that, did you? Because you were looking at the car. And the question's been asked many times, why didn't you do a rolling restoration? It looks like it's in pretty good nick. To be honest, when I saw the footage, for a split second I wondered too. Sometimes you need a daydream to remember why you ripped your car apart.
Don't care about kicking the pants acceleration, care about curves.
So to give myself that space, I'm taking us back to the start, to those first days of eager strip down before the real work began.
There goes the steering wheel. And that is not a fire extinguisher, I can't imagine. That is a spritz for your face while you bask in the glow of your burning Esprit.
If it's any consolation for not seeing the latest work I've done on the Esprit yet, you've just watched work that originally took me 3 months to produce, over 6 episodes. I'm going to make you a promise to bring you more viewing more often, once a week if I can, so tune in Friday eves, Saturday mornings depending on where you are. This, I thought, was a nice way to get ahead and bring new subscribers up to date. Turns out I made lots of mistakes early on, so this episode took at least as much work as any other. But them's the breaks. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments and I'll bring you a Q&A episode ASAP. Nothing left but to thank Lars Fair Eriksson, Tony, James Hogg, Dale Briggs, Vlad Christian, Ted Hardy, Rusty, Bart Kraus, Adam Hakim, Paul O'Driscoll, Johnny Abba, Pascal DeLove, Adam Stadnick, Paul Vettere, Alan Barton, John Quaid, Patrick Cornay, Russell Sharkey, Brian Johnston, Stephen Overstreet, Dennis W, Felipe Perez Diaz, Ahmet Nerdogan, Essen Tuserkany, Steve Richards, Leon Marshall, Corey Sinclair, Jonathan Alsop, Peter Hines, Duncan Martin and Sasha White. And thank you to all my patrons, as ever, for keeping this whole thing afloat. I'll see you in a week's time. Until then, don't let that tricky job get you down, and good luck.